Caillou, the hiding place. Caillou, the hiding place. Where was Caillou? Caillou was in Grandma and Grandpa's kitchen. He had found a hiding place to play in all by himself. But now Caillou could not get out. He was stuck in the cupboard. Yeah. So Caillou heard Grandpa calling, Caillou, where are you? I am in here, shouted Caillou. I am stuck, Grandpa. Caillou felt two strong hands grasp his ankles and gently pull him out of the cupboard. What were you doing in there? Grandpa asked. Caillou mumbled, hiding, hiding. That reminds me of something, Grandpa said with a smile. Come outside, Caillou. I have something to show you. Grandpa took Caillou to a big old tree in the backyard. He poked at the tree with a stick and said, I am sure this is the right one. Caillou pushed the tall grasses aside. Wow, shouted Caillou. There is a secret hiding place inside the tree. Caillou and Grandpa looked into the hole in the tree. It was dark inside. Grandpa pulled a tiny flashlight out of his pocket. Here, Caillou, he said, you can use this flashlight to see inside. Go on and have a look. Caillou crawled into the hole. He turned on the flashlight and looked all around. Caillou could hear Grandpa's voice from outside the tree. Well, how is it, Caillou? Caillou answered, it is the best hiding place in the world. Caillou went back to the house and got his box of dinosaurs. Rosie followed him outside. Caillou turned and glared at her. No, Rosie, no, he said, you can't come. Caillou wanted this hiding place all to himself. Caillou waited until Rosie went away and the coast was clear before going back inside the tree. Inside his hiding place, Caillou was having lots of fun, like Arnik and Anwar, when they hide and they enjoy. He looked all his dinosaurs out of the box and shone his flashlight on them. But what was that? Something was buried in the ground. It looked like a toy. Caillou grabbed the toy and pulled it out of the ground. He held it up to the light. It was little cowboy. But how had the cowboy got there? Maybe Grandpa would know. So, Caillou, this belongs to your daddy when he was baby. Grandpa explained. He must have hidden it in the tree. Caillou was disappointed. Is the hiding place daddy's? It used to be his, Grandpa said, but now it belongs to you. It's my hiding place, Grandpa, and Caillou said happily. All right.